Have you ever made a video or podcast and just couldn't find the right music for it? Or worse, you finally find a track you love and then copyright issues. Super frustrating, right? I've been through that too. But then I found something amazing called Musicful. And honestly, it changed everything. You just type in some text and in a few seconds it makes full songs.
Take a cosmic coffee break. Feel universal wake.
Like actual rap, beats, jingles, whatever you want. You can even make it sound like your favorite artist. And the best part? It's 100% royalty-free. Sounds crazy, I know, but stick with me because I'm about to show you exactly how it works and why it might be the best tool I've found this year. Getting started is super easy. Just hit the link in the description, head to the Musicful website, and sign up with your personal accounts or email. Then, with one click, you'll be ready to start creating your own music magic. Now that you're in, let me show you how to create AI music step by step. First, click on the AI music section. A new window will pop up, and here you can choose what kind of music you want. Whether you're into pop, rap, hip-hop, jazz, country, or something else, the choices are endless. Once you've picked your style, you can easily customize it. Choose the genre, mood, instruments, and style to match what you're looking for. It's like having your own personal music studio in the cloud. Once you've customized your music, it's time to add some lyrics. Don't worry if you're not the best at writing songs. Musicful can handle that for you. Just tell the AI what your song is about, and it'll come up with lyrics in no time. This is perfect if you're stuck or just want to get things moving quickly. After that, all you have to do is give your song a name. Hit create music, wait a moment, your song is ready. Here's a quick demo of the full song we just made. Check this out.
I tiptoed through the empty hall. Whispers bounce off every wall. The moonlight spills like melted.
So we've heard the full song, but if you just need a clean beat to work with, check instrumental only. Then choose a style, hit create music button again, and within seconds, you'll have a pro-grade instrumental track. No vocals, just pure vibes. Let's enjoy that up next. Let's show you how to create a catchy jingle for your intro or ads. Let's check out what that sounds like.
Laboo-boo, it's all yours and my Laboo-boo.
Pretty cool, right? But do you think this could actually replace music producers? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Now, if you want even more control, here's the cool part. Whether you just want the beat or need the vocals separately for mixing, you can download MP3s, instrumentals, or even the MIDI files. It's perfect for editing, remixing, or just having complete creative control over your track. Don't just take my word for it. Pause this video right now, click the link in the description, and create your first track. It's completely free to start. Now, what if your song is too short? Don't worry, just hit the extend button to make it longer. This is great if you need background music, or if you want to take a short idea and turn it into a full song. But hold on, here's where it gets even more fun. The AI cover feature. There are over 4,000 celebrity voices to choose from. You can upload your own song that you've already created, or, if you're in the mood for some fun, just paste a YouTube link of a popular song. Musicful will sing it using the voice of your favorite celebrity. Imagine hearing your song sung by someone like Drake, Billie Eilish, or whoever you're into. Who's your favorite celebrity? Type in comments below, but that's not all. Musicful also has this awesome library and music hub, where you can check out the songs you've made, listen to other creators' tracks, and even leave likes. It's a great way to discover new music and connect with other people who love music just like you. Now, you might be wondering, is everything free or are there any charges? Well, Musicful has a free plan, so you can try it all out without paying anything. But if you're a content creator or musician and need high-quality music, longer tracks, or premium features, the paid plans are definitely worth it. Ready to create your own music? Click the link in the description below to start for free. It's quick and easy. Just follow the steps. And if you want to learn how to make amazing AI videos for your brand and social media, check out my video on Musicful AI. Click and let's get started.